Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you Google Translate now available as the default translation app on iPhone and iPad. iPhone and iPad users can now set Google Translate as their default translation app on iOS, replacing Apple's built-in Translate app as the go-to option. So in this video I'll tell you how can you do this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. For this, open the App Store on your iPhone and then tap on the search button and search for Google Translate. Once you have installed the latest version of Google Translate app which was released today, then go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to the app section. Then tap on defaults app at the top. Next, scroll down. Here you will see the option of translation. Tap on it and then choose Google Translate instead of Apple Translate. The default translation app can be changed as long as you are running iOS 18.4 or iPadOS 18.4 or later. iOS 18.4 and iPadOS 18.4 added the ability for users to set a different translation apps as their default, and Google seems to be the first company to add support for the function. Users worldwide can select Google Translate as an alternative, and there are also options for changing the default email, messaging, calling, browsers and passes app. In the EU, users can also select a different default navigation app such as Google Maps, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to change Google Translate as the default translation app on your iPhone and iPad, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.